What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a subscriber or you've seen any of my videos before. My name is Tkeyah. As you see from the title, this video is going to be another one of my series, or another video in my series where I try something out for 5 straight days for a week. Typically I'll do a face mask, but for this video I wanted to start to move towards content that I'm a little bit more passionate about. I'm going to be trying a green juice. I'm going to make and drink my own green juice for 5 days straight. I may extend it. There's a lot of heaviness going around. I personally have felt a lack of motivation. I kind of want to put out a video that gets us centered and refocused on revolutionary forms of resistance, which include our diet and our health, and maintaining that balance within our bodies so that we can rise up, so that we can fight the system. So first, I'll just start by breaking down a few of the benefits that you get from drinking a green juice. So number 1, green juices help to alkalize your body. So from this book that is such an incredible resource, it's called African Holistic Health. One of the excerpts that I wanted to read is really short. It just says, all fresh fruits and all vegetables except those mentioned below are alkaline. Citric and malic acids found in fruits are alkaline. In balancing the diet, keep the acid to 20% and the alkalinity to 80%. That ratio is standard. Number 2 is increasing your energy. You pretty much will have all day energy. It also says it may delay aging, and that's because of all of the antioxidants that you get. It improves gut health. It says your gut is the foundation of health. It can be the difference between depression and happiness. It affects nearly every aspect of your health. It also helps with detoxification and digestion, which is important. It says green juices contain digestive enzymes and prebiotics and good bacteria that are recognized for supporting gut health. Number 5, it enhances detoxification, which I just talked about. If you're not using the bathroom after every meal, think about that. That means that the food and the things that you consume are still sitting in your body. All right, let's get to making my green juice for today. It's not quite a green juice, but you get the picture. It's mainly greens. It's pretty much 90% greens. Oh, there's also lime in here. I juiced a full lime as well. I can taste the beet in it. It tastes like apple as well, but it's good. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. All right, I have finished juicing for day 2. Okay, this one is not as good. Oh, I think I'm getting all of that ginger from the top. This one is spicy. I know that ginger is gonna go to work in my gut. Oh, that ginger. I've never juiced ginger before. Whoa. So you definitely have to shake it. Like all of the sweet apple was towards the bottom. Yesterday I noticed that I had tons of energy because I also didn't eat much. It's very hot today. It's 95 here in LA. So I had tons of energy. I even was motivated to edit the portion of the video, the intro, and then my first day of juicing yesterday. I edited that all night. I didn't end up going to bed until like 3 a.m. because I was binging Betty. Today I woke up and I didn't have the most energy. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. So today I set my alarm clock for 8 and I woke up, my body naturally woke up at 7:30. I had tons of energy. The plan was to go on a hike around 10 a.m., which I did. So I went on a hike with my roommate, my friend, at 10 a.m., which was incredible. Tons of energy. I didn't eat anything before that. This is now, what time is it? It's 7 p.m. and I'm drinking my juice for the day. I've had a good amount of spring water. I also had a vegan burrito. So that's about it. I'm keeping it light. Everything, it's too hot to just eat heavy things. Energy wise, I will definitely say I notice a difference. I have energy all throughout the day. Digestion is smooth sailing after every meal. Anytime I eat, my body naturally wants to rid itself of what I consumed, what I ate. I noticed that's a huge difference. So that's definitely a plus. If you have gut issues, I highly recommend this juicing. I am regular, I'm clear, everything is just, it feels like it's operating perfectly. Anyone out there who doesn't like your fruits and vegetables, doesn't like to eat those, okay, grow up. But if you don't like the taste, or if you don't like salads or whatever, juicing is such a good way to get the veggies in. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4. That's it. I juiced 2 whole mangoes and they were pretty good sized, a small bit of romaine, a good bunch of spinach, a small bunch of parsley, which wouldn't make much juice anyways, 2 thumbs of ginger, and this is all I got. This is it, and I'm out of greens. I have purple cabbage, I have carrots. I guess I could juice some carrots. I'm gonna add this bit of coconut water that I have left. Where does that bring me? Okay. Yay. 2 full carrots into the mix. So now it's carrot, parsley, ginger, cucumber, romaine, mango. Wait, it's actually really good. This is an incredible combo. I'm going to drink my juice and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, it's day 5. This is the juice that you guys just saw me make. I made a little bit over 2 cups total, and I have finally, on day 4, so yesterday I was able to figure out my method of juicing. A lot of the pulp was getting wound up and caught. So what worked for me was combining the greens with the fruit. I'm actually thinking I'm going to juice tomorrow as well and just make this 6 days. 6 is my favorite number. First off, this juice is incredible. I think yesterday's was my favorite taste-wise because carrot is just naturally sweet and I've always loved carrots, but the juice is really good. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you know I was using my blender to juice before I was gifted by my lovely friend the juicer that I have been using for this video. So I use my blender and a cheesecloth. The cheesecloth is for after you blend all of your ingredients together with like coconut water or spring water or some liquid. And then I used my cheesecloth to squeeze the pulp out. Ooh. Okay, that ginger is strong, but paired with the mango, this is fire. It's really good. So while I drink this, let's talk about the benefits that I've noticed and if some of those things that I read in the beginning are true for me. Definitely energy. That is the #1 difference that I've noticed. I'm not getting midday slumps where I'm tired. Your body is comprised of cells that need particular nutrients and minerals. If you're not getting those, you're gonna feel off. You're gonna have an imbalance in your body and in your hormones. I also noticed that my body odor has taken a shift. I don't typically wear deodorant unless I'm going out to be around people I don't know. Similar to when I just drink chlorophyll straight, the liquid chlorophyll that you guys have seen in other videos. I don't find that throughout the day when I'm sweating. It's like 95 here a lot of days right now in LA. I don't find that I'm actually getting a scent or an unpleasant scent coming from my underarms. So that's a big plus in, you know, consuming your greens and juicing. Also digestion, which I've already touched on, but I'm regular. I'm discarding the food that I consume regularly, which is important for gut health. Look up colon collapsing and how that can affect your reproductive organs and your body in general, and also how an overburdened colon affects your overall health. Okay, so this was a big one, mental fog and clarity. Yesterday I flowed through a comedic yoga sequence and it was my first time practicing comedic yoga. I did that sequence. I had a very full circle and profound experience after or while I was flowing through the 2 practices that I did. But I just found that it's easier for me to sit down, be motivated, and really be focused on my spirituality practices, especially meditation. I've also noticed that my desire for junk food, like my sweet tooth, I've noticed that I don't reach for those as much. And when I am eating them, I don't eat as much as I would before. I'm not fully binging the full bag of licorice, this Australian licorice that I get from Sprouts out here. It's really good. Those are pretty much the major differences that I've noticed, which are significant when we talk about mental health, physical health, spiritual health, like all of the things. Obviously eating cleaner is important for that. I really hope you guys try the juice challenge for yourself. And if you do, feel free to watch my videos as I go through the days, experience the changes that I noticed as well. If you're having stomach issues, if you have low iron, a lot of reproductive issues, bad cramping, and mood swings, mood disorders, anxiety, lack of motivation, especially throughout this time, and you're just finding it difficult to lift yourself out of the stress and the burdens that we face, I highly recommend looking at your diet. Start there. A juice a day, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. Please share the video. It does help me out, and you can help out anyone who you think would find this helpful, anyone who's struggling right now. Also, like the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like. You can comment whatever you'd like. I want to know how you guys are doing, if you've tried juicing. If you're also looking for maybe some music to uplift your spirits during this time, I guest curated a playlist for my girls platform called Summer School. If you guys are interested in that, I'll link it below. It is just good vibes for you to move and activate your hips. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your summer. I will see you in my next video. Black African peoples and other colored races that lived in the equatorial area were raised for centuries on raw tropical plants. Black African diets consisted of tropical vegetation for 100,000 to 200,000 years. So this isn't anything new. A plant-based diet is not new. That's not a white people thing. It's not a Caucasian. Our history is so rich, and we come from, you know, these plant-based, beautiful, tropical diets.